We discussed it and decided that we're going to have our picnic today right on the ice of this lake.
Well, okay, you probably started in the beginning. Okay.
It doesn't fit.
Why didn't we do this on the shore?
Why didn't we do this on the shore? Yeah, it's fine.
Well, alright. Hey, seriously, can I do it? Yeah, no, it's nice. Well, should I call? Well, head? Well, make the backpack.
We checked, but he'll see it now. We didn't even get to that. Yeah, damn. Shame, I didn't check it. I only heard that only by swimming. That Leova, I don't know, you more or less, but they killed you. I don't even know that. Got in trouble for that. Kuzov, I can't leave. I'm with you right now for what I have. Like me. Your crap. Still, we weren't the first ones to grill kebabs out on the lake.
But we were the first ones to try it. It'd be awesome on the ice, right? Totally.
For safety.
What's it called? Casino. Kezenoy base. They counted it. What's useful about it? Something like that.
No, I lost my appetite there. Yeah, it's actually the first time for me, such a beautiful table, to hear such a beautiful word. Right?
Yes. You see, we have something like that, huh? A little. Yes, no one will admit it. What are we cooking today? Today we're going to eat steaks. Have you eaten steaks?
No, that's how they come.
Do you know where they're sold?
Today the meat was provided by the Kezenoy Caravan store, which is located at Berkote. I'll leave all the contact info in the description if you want to buy the same steaks. Look, today we have 3 packs of steaks. We're going to grill some vegetables. And we also have marinated chicken wings. They're already prepared. Everything's already cut off. Very tasty. Do you know how to tell if a steak is good or not? By its marbling. What is marbling? What do you mean by marbling? By layers of fat. Yeah, you know, right? Yeah, go take a look. See right here? The more of these layers, the more marbled the meat is, the better it's considered. Did you know that? No, I don't really like meat at all, but I ate this without the fat. Even like this, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Does it look appetizing? It looks very appetizing. I'll take everything for myself now. For example, I'll take the tray and it'll all be gone. Now everything is allowed. Try it. Is that a threat? Or permission? Try it. Oh, and the desire to run away with this tray just keeps growing and growing. Come on, close it.
I thought you were going to say, come on, run.
I got ready right away too. You need to let the steak rest for about 10 minutes so the juices can redistribute throughout the meat. That's why we'll wrap it up.
That's the first reason. The second is we still need to cook the vegetables.
Oh, we're going to have a feast together. Subtitles.
We still have plenty of meat left and more wings over there.
By the way, how do you like the view behind us?
The frozen Kezenoy-Am where we planned to do all this today, but we got chased away from there.
Well, here are the subtitles.
Subtitles created by Dima Torzok.
Alright, it's done, so I come over here. Now leave what you said. By the way, E, follow what's written there. There's still some left to spend.
Subtitles adjusted by...
Come closer, don't be shy.
Come on. Did it turn out okay? Yeah, it's actually great. I like it. I've never had steak on this kind of meat before, so I don't feel bad if it's tasty.
After such a heavy lunch, you definitely need to do some kind of activity.
After all, we didn't come to a frozen mountain lake for nothing, and now we're going ice skating.
So, Erzo, what are you expecting? When was the last time you skated? The last time I practiced was just a week ago. Where did you skate?
What? Where did you skate? Well, there's an ice rink at the mall. Oh, there's a rink there? Yeah, that's where I practiced.
I was testing my skills.
Well, with skates, it's important that they're tight, that they fit snugly. If they don't fit snugly, they'll let you down. I can't tear the honey apart. What's going on? I think I'll go. You could kill me and I still wouldn't know how to restore it. Let me show you now.
Not some wild one or anything.
I can't keep up with you. One with a hook.
How do you like it?
Well, it's better than sitting at home. It's much better now. Feels like he has a microphone.
Expressive, like a microphone.
Unfortunately, my stabilizer is acting up a bit. Just a little. Everything is really cool, as you can see. For the first time in Chechnya, I'm seeing ice like this. So I just recommend you come here, spend at least 5 minutes and enjoy all of this. Wrap it up. This whole ice idea was mine. Today is my first time on skates, so it looks a bit awkward. Who liked it? Admit it. Yeah, a lot. What's the name of your channel?
Ezo.
Yeah, by the way, you can subscribe. If you like this video, what should you do? Like it and subscribe.
Perfect.